All right, what's going on, Focused Hands crew? This is Jamel again with Focused Hands. So today I have an installation of some new headlights. They are projector style headlights for the car. I think give it a better look. Check it out. I'll show you. So these are the headlights I'm installing today, and they have a little, and these are the CCFL with projector, but there's a particular way you need to install these, and on YouTube I haven't found any video showing specifically how to install these on the Ford Focus. I bought these off Amazon. I will link them in the description. So the interesting thing that I found when installing these headlights is that you need this CCFL resistor right here, this black thing. So it has wires that run off and they go into the system here, and these wires come off, and I have them spliced already to their location where they need to be. So the black wire that's spliced to the black wire on the connector right here, obviously those two go together. I chose the green orange wire to begin with. That was the wrong wire. You need the green white wire, which is here, to fire up the positive side, and I'll show you what that looks like with the car on, or just with the power on. Stay tuned. So with the car on and the lights turned on, you can see that my CFL lights are showing up on the passenger side. I'm gonna take you over to the driver's side so you can see where it's not hooked up and the CFL lights aren't working. Let's walk over here. So as you see right here, those lights aren't on because I don't have them wired to the correct spot. So I'm going to show you that I'm just going to do that on the left side. I'll show you where you do the connections on the right, and that's it. That's how you install these lights in the car. Alright, so I guess I'm going to show you how that works in real time. I'm going to do the left side so you can see, and you can go out, buy these. I think I paid $168 for them. Go out, buy them, and get your car a little extra flair. This isn't a promotion for YouTube, or not a promotion for YouTube. It isn't a promotion for Amazon. This is just me making my car look the way I want it to. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so this is the manual or the installation page that came with the headlights, and as you can see, this doesn't really help very much. I tried to follow along. I don't even have these clips on the car. They're not on the headlights at all. So just watch the video. Don't even worry about this. I don't think this is going to help you. Stay tuned. Alright, since I already had the headlights installed on the car, all you're going to need is to remove this socket. And you can kind of push the headlight out of the way. We will need this wire here, so you can see that. Let me get it in frame for you. We'll need this wire here. So the black wire connects to black over here. Connects to the black wire on this light connector, and the red wire connects to this. I thought it was red white, so I guess it's red black. It connects to the red black wire on the connector. So let's do that. I'm going to crimp these, or splice these a little bit more, so I get a little bit more copper wire to work with. Those are out of the way. Let me go ahead and just twist them. Ouch, that hurt. Poked myself with the copper. Probably gonna bleed too. Anyway, so what we'll do now is we'll go and we'll split the black wire. put the black wire like right here. And we will install the black wire. Just wrap it around. And we will crimp or splice the green black wire. As well. There we go. Like I said, we will splice this wire. We'll splice this wire and to the red, or the green wire, green and black wire to the red, and that will allow it to work. Stay tuned. All right, so I got my connection points all set. I got red wire to black and green, and I obviously got black wire to black wire. So let's go turn on the car and see if the CFL lights come on. Doesn't like they're coming on, probably means I started to the wrong one. Stay tuned. YouTube, I never actually hooked up the lights. Never hooked up the lights. Wow. All right, let's try this again. Watch me actually hook up the light this time. It's still unplugged. That's why it wasn't working. I'm over here second guessing myself, like I did something wrong. But let's plug it in. All right, now we're plugged in. Set you back right here. And go turn the car on. Back in the gym. Uh-oh. Lucy's got some explaining to do. So I made a discovery. Obviously you see that the lights are on, but I made a discovery about my car particularly, and it may be for the same ZX4s, and it's that the black wire, the green and black wire on this side isn't the power light. The orange and black, the orange and green wire on the driver's side is the light that powers the CFL rings. Let's make sure that one of my lights isn't on. Oh, I see what isn't on. I didn't hook it up once again. Let me set this down real quick. All right, so you have projector, you have CCFL ring, and you have the turn signal, or all on. Same thing it is on the passenger side. But like I was saying, the driver's side, the correct hookup is the red to green orange wire, black wire, and over on the passenger side it is red to green white, excuse me, red to green white and black to black. That's how you get the CCFL lights to work with this head unit. I got new merch. I finally got myself a new hat here, focused hands. If you like this this new hat, you know, let me know down in the comment section. It's a they call it a dad hat at the store. I'm not a dad, by the way, but they call it a dad hat. I didn't know that, but it looks pretty cool. I like it. You know, it'll serve me well in the videos to come. I might need to make a new icon for myself with this new hat. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a new icon with this new hat. You'll see in the next episode, or in my little image or icon image. You'll see that in next episode going forth with me wearing this hat instead of the San Francisco Giants hat. Anyway, I'm Jamil with Focused Hands, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.